One of Washington's biggest events of the year is the annual Tulip Festival. Every April, people from all over head to the Skagit Valley to see row after row after row of gorgeous flowers. Here at RoozenGaarde, all sorts of flowers are in bloom.
RoozenGaarde here is owned and ran by Washington Bulb Company.
Cindy Burge is the executive director of the Tulip Festival. Her goal is to introduce visitors from all over to the beauty of the Skagit Valley.
If you look at where we're at on the global map, guess what we're about at the same level at? Holland.
Holland.
The Roozens, they're the third generation here in Washington, but their family's been growing tulips in the Netherlands and Holland much, much longer.
Tulips are obviously synonymous with the name Roozen.
As a third-generation tulip farmer, Brent Roozen works hard to bring the festival to life here at RoozenGaarde.
Interestingly enough, Roozen actually means rose in Dutch. So yeah, there's some irony there. Fun fact is we grow more daffodils than we do tulips.
Do you really?
That's correct. So we grow about 350 acres of tulips, 450 acres of daffodils, but tulips are the main show here in the Skagit Valley. Tulips are a crop that needs a long rotation period, so we're only planting tulips in the same location once every 5 to 6 years.
Really? Now we're headed to another popular festival spot, Tulip Town. Here, Kristen Keltz showcases the best of the Northwest, making sure every visitor leaves with a smile.
We've got lots of Instagrammable photo ops for them. On sunny days, you can see them out Baker, the trolley rides. We've got a beer and wine garden, a cafe, retail shopping.
A day at the farm.
Day at the farm.
Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. And
Yes.
you've got even more over here,
We've got
right?
more inside. Yes, we've got about 70 varieties in the display garden and several live bouquets inside.
Wow, this is fun.
Anything with tulips on it you want to buy, you can probably find it in there.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Just spectacular. I
Yeah.
love the clouds and
Yes,
the raindrops.
they're beautiful.
Not only does the Tulip Festival bring thousands of people to see local flower farms, it also boosts local economies. Towns like Mount Vernon hold street fairs where visitors can bring home a small piece of the Northwest.
You know, this is an economic engine for our little downtown. We bring, depending on the weather in the year, anywhere from 15 to 40,000 visitors over this weekend. It has a positive effect on our community, and plus everybody's in a great mood.
Our whole community works together. That collaboration is stupendous and it makes it possible.
You know, there's a lot to offer here in the valley, so we want the people who come up to enjoy the tulips to then enjoy the rest of the community as well.
People come in our office and they're asking for directions and they're just like, we're here to see tulips. How do we do this? And just to see the joy on their faces from coming to see this glorious tulips.